There's Murphy. Oops. Oh, she said you were splattering me. You got water in my face. Where's your little sister girl roommate friend? She stayed inside. Okay. Well, yesterday they were drinking out of the hose, both of them. Quinn! Quinn! Well, where is she? You better go get her. You gonna drink out of the hose? Well, where's Quinn? Let's go get Quinn. Let's get Quinn, okay?